Hey YouTube, today we're going to be making a video on how to add your own custom character into Super Smash Bros. Brawl for your Wii. First of all, you need to have the homebrew channel on your Wii, and you need to have either Gecko OS or USB Loader GX or anything that can load games with cheat codes, I think, and you can change the hook type. I don't know about anything other than USB Loader GX or Gecko OS. I know those two work for sure. But the first thing we're going to do is you're going to click on the link in the description that says on the form. And you're going to download the Brawlex clone engine. It's going to take you to Dropbox and you're just going to download it. Sorry for my slow internet. Then once you do that, you're going to download the Brawlex CSS expansion. Wait for that to load. Download this. Internet is a little bit slow, but I've gotten a new computer, so I should be uploading stuff for it. And you need to get this, and you need to get this, and you need to get Brawlbox. And there's also here. Just download everything I put in the description and on this website for these, because I have no idea what you need. Now that I think about it. Okay, so now that that is gone, we're gonna X this out. And so now that you have your Brawlex clone engine and your Brawlex expansion, I have my own Brawlex, but for you guys, I'm going to make a new one just to show you that it works. Okay, so you're gonna make a new folder and you're gonna name it Privates. Wow. Okay, thanks for not putting my E. Privates. You know, this may already be in your SD card. New folder, then you're gonna make it Wii. New folder. App. New folder. Whoa, went over there this time. RSBE. Another new folder. You're gonna name it PF. Another new folder, and you're going to name it capital B Brawl capital EX. Okay, so in here you're going to open up your two WinRAR files that you have, and you're going to so you're gonna go to your core files and you're going to drag both of these over into here. Drag in there. And then you're going to drag the core files from the CSS expansion. Am I doing this right? I don't think I'm doing this right. No, I'm not doing this right. I want to permanently delete these two items. Do not make a folder called Brawlex. Drag the CSS expansion in there first. And then drag the module and system in here. And you want to merge the folder. So yes, you want to merge the folder. So once you have done this, you're going to need to open up the tool that I have in the description below, and it's going to be called Brawlex clone tool. It's going to have that little icon on it. You're going to click select folder. You're going to go down to your SD card or whatever you are using for your cheat. You could be using Dolphin or whatever. So you're going to expand it. It'll auto expand everything. Private auto expand. Click on PF. Click OK. Brawlex subdirectory is not found. Would you like to create one? Click yes. Okay, so now what you're going to do, I'm going to be making a Dr. Mario clone. So you can do a clone for any of these people. So I'm going to be making Dr. Mario just for the simplicity, or so whatever you want to call it, simplicity. So I'm going to click Mario. I'm going to click add. It loads and there's Mario. If you have a custom image for the Mario thing, then it will show that. Like, this is what the image looks like. So if you notice the clone ID is 3F, just keep that in mind when you do that. So now what you're gonna need to make a new folder called Fighter, and that's where you're going to be putting your files. So I will be right back. I'm going to pause it and get a Dr. Mario. Okay, I just realized I did not tell you at all where you need to go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to KC-MM. I have no idea what that stands for. Katie Corpse -Meow Mix. Okay, you'll click on Brawl Vault. I apologize for my slow internet. You're going to click on characters. This is you clone Mario. You click on Mario, and you scroll down until you find a clone that you like. Okay, I have no idea what this is. I'm going to get top downloads because you know, they have to be good if they're top downloads. Mario Mafia. Okay, so let's get Dr. Mario 2.0. And it's going to take us to MediaFire. I'm going to click download. It's not going to go down there. Now it is. Okay, so now that we have this loading, we're going to. It's not done. Open when done. Why was it not done? Okay, so now I'm going to minimize this just in case we've done something wrong. Okay, so gotta minimize this. I did not even add a new folder. So, okay, now that we have our Dr. Mario V2 apparently, well, let's just go ahead and extract it. Okay, so Dr. Mario version 2. What is this? I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to just extract 2. Okay, this is not right. This is a horrible hack. You do not want to download something and it has a bunch of other raw folders in it. So I'm going to delete these and I'm going to get another one, but I don't want you to have to watch me get another one. I'll show you which one I get though. Like unpause it and then pause it again. So yeah, I'm going to go get a good. Okay, so the one I'm getting is right here, Dr. Mario Brawl, and I'm going to download that. So I'll be right back again. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so I've gotten my pack and it's called Official Super Smash Bros. Melee Dr. Mario's, and it has all this in it. Okay, it looks good, it looks good. So what we are going to do is we're going to go into the fighter folder. Let me just minimize this. We're going to go into the fighter folder and we're going to drag and drop all this. All the things that say Brawlbox on mine. Any files that are inside of it is going to copy over. And now that we have done that, we need to. Oh, I'll explain how to do a Kirby hat in a minute. So now that we have that, we have to go back to your internet browser. You're going to go back to kc-mm. Kitty Corpse does not sound like a good enough name for that. You're gonna go back to Brawlbox. I feel so stupid now because I just went back to the place of Brawl. You're gonna go all. Nope. You got to click on resources. You're gonna go all the way down to data partition 2 and click on this little image right here. And once you do that, it's going to load very slowly for me. Why are you taking so long? Okay, it's gonna take you to Google Drive. You need to click Open in Drive right here. It may make you sign in. Just make sure you have like a Google account or whatever. It's like slower than normal. You're gonna click on Fighter, and whatever the fighter is that you're cloning. What is this? No, I can't read my messages in front of you. I apologize. Okay, so we're gonna click on Mario, since we're cloning Mario, and we're gonna see all the things we don't have. So you see how it's fit Mario, FIT Mario. So let's make this smaller and bring it over here. Okay, thanks for just resizing for no reason. Okay, so this. We have Fit Mario pack and all the PCSs but O1. There's no O1. Okay. So we have Fit Mario pack. We need this one. We need all the packs for these. Pack, backpack. And we need dark, entry, final. And we have the motions and we need the 2 spies. We're going to click on more and we're going to click on download. It's gonna put it into a zip folder, and once it does that, it's gonna save as some weird name that doesn't make any sense to what we're doing. And once it downloads, and it should be right here. You open it up, and this should be all the files that we need. So we're gonna drag and drop in here. If it says replace the file, then do not replace it because that means you got one that you already had. I hope I didn't just mess anything up by dragging and dropping into something. Okay, so now we're gonna open back up our little tool thing, and we're gonna click on Tools and Mass Renamer. So we're gonna click on Browse for Character folder, and we're going to go to where did I put it? Okay, Computer, SD, Private, or wherever you're putting your stuff. Click on Fighter. Is this in my Fighter folder? It's in my Fighter folder. We're going to type in whatever we are the name of our clone. So capital D R capital M A R A O. Rename. Done. and as you see, fit Dr. Mario, everything, but it does have a glitch in it. So the PAC file for one of them is going to be lowercase, and we need to make that uppercase, or my stupid computer can just not do anything. We're gonna make that uppercase, and then make this smaller. I don't like files being too big. Oh, that's what she said. So now that we have our fighter folders, we're going to need our module. So in the module folders, it's either in. Why did I put those in the recycling bin? Now you get to see all my stuff. Great. Okay, so it's in one of these. Nope, it's gonna be called X modules. Here it is, X modules. You need to extract that. Now you can delete these because you don't need them anymore at all. So X modules, and we are using Mario. So we gotta find Mario. There's not one for every character. So they're working on that right now. So you can only clone certain characters. So we're gonna copy it, place it in module. We're going to paste it. And since we're gonna name it Dr. Mario, I'm going to name it no capital or anything, just Dr. Mario. No, we gotta take away the BX to be 11. So FT Dr. Mario, and now that I realize, we should probably name this Mario, shouldn't we? So we need to Dr. Mario. Okay, so that would normally be all, but I would like to it came with the Kirby hat, the one that I downloaded, as you can see. Melee Dr. Mario Kirby hat, and we're going to name it FT Kirby Dr. Mario. I think. I don't know. So if we do that, we're gonna place it into module. I have no idea, to be honest. I don't even. Maybe I'll make a separate tutorial for that. I thought this is what you did, but I could be wrong. I probably am wrong, to be honest, so I'm not gonna risk it and screw up the entire game, but oh, we are not done. Now that I think about it, we need to go in this. We need to open up the module editor. I think. Yes, the module editor. My tools. Module editor. Now we're going. This looks exactly like Brawlbox. I could probably just use Brawlbox. You do not need the module editor. You could just use Brawlbox, not Brawlex tool. Brawlbox, and drag and drop this into here. Okay, so we're going to go into section 8. We're going to click Open in Memory Viewer, and under 300, we're going to type in 3 capital F, and we're just gonna X that out, save it, and I'm 95.5% sure that is all that we need to do. Oh, by the way, there's always an O. If you okay, if you want to have your clone, okay, so you know how the what's it called, the menu when you select your characters, the character selection screen, you know where everything is random. If you don't do what I'm about to do, your clone will be after random. It will be like blah blah blah, Olimar, Captain Falcon, random, and then Dr. Mario. And I mean, it's not bad, but you probably don't necessarily want that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this. We're gonna open up Brawlex config utility. We're gonna put 3F hashtag F 3F, or random would normally be, and it'll say fighter 3x at 3fx, and then we're going to put 29 where it originally was. So this is our order file save, and we're also going to need our code, which I'm going to put in the description. You need a folder called codes. This is going to be the code that we use, and you need a folder called apps, which I have USB loader GX. So this is all for this step. That's all you need to do, and I'm going to show you the final result. I'm going to switch over to my capture card because I'm too lazy to download the Super Smash Bros. ISO. So be right back. Alright, I'm here with my capture card loading up and all that stuff, and so this is not a live narration or anything. This is just I'm watching the video as it goes and all that good stuff. I hate the homebrew channel. It has horrible sound on my. It's all ugh, I don't know how to pronounce it. But you load up USB loader or Gecko OS from your homebrew channel. I'm trying to pop the bubbles right there with my little wee hand. Oh, that sounded really inappropriate. I'm never going to say that again. Okay, so now that you have it, you need to have the latest version USB loader, so where you can change the hook type. You need to have Ocarina on, and you need to change the hook type to AX next frame, or it won't work. And if you're on Gecko OS, you just need to change the hook type to AX next frame because it loads new codes. And don't create any cheat files for Super Smash Bros, or you'll have to get the code back again, and that's not healthy. That's illegal. So don't do that. And I would suggest pressing A fairly fastly through this, because if you're doing this, it freezes like 45% of the time. So if it freezes for you while it's loading up, just redo it. And it's easier to tell if it freezes if you press fastly, because that little ball will stop spinning instead of it just sitting there on the Wii Strap menu. So it'll take a little bit longer notice. So I just like press through that for good luck. I don't know. But yeah, so don't get mad if it freezes. Just keep trying. If it freezes like 20 times in a row, then you did something wrong. But you get what I'm saying. Alright, so now you see we have two Marios, the one behind random where I put it, and the one in the top left. So as you can see, they're the same color too, so you know it's not the same person. And it's about to load up, Dr. Mario, and you see the where it says Mario and it shows the picture of Mario. We're going to be changing that in the next tutorial to where it's like Dr. Mario and all that stuff. And so there's also a way to make it so where the announcer call, when you click on it, says Dr. Mario, but hopefully by the time I finish the last tutorial I'll know how, and I'll tell y'all how, but I don't know as of right now. So I guess you get to see me fighting Garbagely, because I suck with Mario. I mean, I'll kill anybody with Kirby. No, I'll be winning with Kirby. No, anyone but Mario pretty much, and Olimar and Ness. I hate those guys. I suck with them. But so yeah, we're just gonna be battling, you know, throwing drugs at normal Mario. Maybe they're already on drugs. That's why we're sitting here on a platform beating each other up with characters that don't exist in this game, in the middle of space. And I'm sitting here beating on balls. Oh my god, that sounded really bad. To get, you know, my special fire shooting out of my hands, shooting it the wrong way. But there are some ways to change your special, and I guess it really depends on which thing you get. We got Dr. Mario, and that would be the same special regardless, unless you got one that had a changed one. Maybe that first complicated pack I got had it, but it seemed a little bit too complicated for even me, the guy who just figured out how to do this yesterday. So yeah, I don't even know. Just shooting drugs in the sky. Bet that ball's like fast as well. Now, this is some pretty good deals for drugs, you know, like for free, just like shooting in your mouth. Most people would like kill their family to have this kind of drug. I don't even know. Guess it depends on the drug. It's not drug test. Yeah, those floating pieces of paper, what are they? Can someone please tell me? Because I just pick them up and I'm like, ew, a piece of paper that has nothing to do with anything. Are they like stickers or something? Like, comment telling me what they are. I think they may be stickers, but I'm not sure. So yeah, the match is about to end right here, and it's gonna be the end of the video. And I get one kill on him, because I'm that pro, and just jump off because I'm cool. But so yeah, they have the animation for him clapping as well and all that stuff. But yeah, so don't forget to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Goodbye.